Hey guys, in this video we will see how to deploy our React project into Firebase. So we are going to see everything step by step. So let's create a React project first. So create React app and provide the application name. So I can give here my app, okay, and hit enter. So it's gonna to take some time in order to create project. So once it will be done, I will be back. Okay guys, so we are ready with our project. So let's get into the project. cd my and project name. Right now let's do npm start. So npm start, okay, and let's go through the project here. So here we have src folder and app.js. Yeah, so guys, you can see our app is running. So let's make some changes. Remove this header, okay, remove this line and make it as here h1 react app. So react app, save it and let's see the changes. So I am getting here react app, and here we can write that going to be deploy in Firebase. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we are getting. So now we have application which is running and we wanted to deploy in Firebase. First of all, let's move to the Firebase. Okay, firebase.google.com. So here you can click here go to console. If you are not able to see this option, please click on get started. So I can see here bunch of project because already I have created. What you have to do, you have to create a new project and name it as your project name. Okay, so my app, click on continue and yeah, enable Google Analyst, yeah, and click here create, select, so default here and create project. So it's going to take a few seconds for you. And it will create a Firebase project. Okay, okay, so our project is ready now. Click on continue. So you can see our project, right? So that's it we need to do from here. Let's go to our application and stop it first. So control C, yeah. Now before deploying we need to build. So please write here npm run build. Okay, so what build will do, that it will whatever the components and file we are having, it will compress into a single file and it will create a JavaScript file, and from index we can access all those. So it's going to take some time, so please wait. Okay, so it's done. Now what we have to do, npm install and globally Firebase tool. So this tool we have to install in our system. So npm I global Firebase tool. So install this package So guys, it's already installed in my system. So let me stop it. Okay, next what I have to do, Firebase login. Okay, so it will ask you to log in. So as you can see here, already logged in as this email ID. So let me do log out first. So Firebase logout. Okay, so this command will do logout to me from the Firebase. You can see here logout. Now let me do Firebase login. So allow Firebase here to report error reporting information. So please do yes, and it will open a link automatic. You have to select your account from here. So click your account, and from this one you have to click on allow. Okay, now you are done with this. Let's come to the VS Code, and you can see here success logged in. Okay, now you have to do Firebase init. Okay, to initialize the deployment. So Firebase init. Here it will ask bunch of questions to you. So you have to answer. Are you ready? Yeah. So click yes, and these are the functionality which is provided with Firebase. So it's going to ask what the functionality you want. So we want hosting. So use top and down arrow to move, and to select please click spacebar. Okay, so hosting, click enter. Use existing project. Yeah, already we have created project, so click enter. So here it will give you the name of all your projects. So you have to select your project. So in my case, my project is my app. So let's hit enter. Here it will ask you what do you want to use as your public directory. So public directory, already we have created our build. So I wanted to use as a public directory as a build. So give build. Configure as a single page application. Yes. File build index already exist override. So what it will do, that if you are giving yes here, it will create its own index file. So we don't want to do that. So click here no, and initialization is done. Next command, what we have to do, Firebase deploy. Okay, so click on Firebase deploy. So what it will do, that so already your setup is done. Now it will deploy your code to the Firebase. Okay, so as you can see here, hosting, and it's uploading all the files. It's going to take time based on your application files. Okay, now you can see hosting URL. So let me click on this URL and open it. So you can see here our application is running online right now. So React app. So let me go to here my app, to the Firebase and my app, and now you can come to the hosting. So this is the hosting. Click on hosting. Here you will get the URL from where you can access. So this is the URL as well, and here you can see. So as you can see here, your application got deployed, and this is the URL, right? So that's it guys, that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you are facing any issue, please feel free to ask in comment section. Okay, thank you guys.